I'm Megan Kelly, and I am the head of research at Fidelity's Center for Applied Technology. Our mission is to infuse strategic conversations throughout the firm by bringing the outside in. And we do this by scanning the horizon for the emerging technologies and cultural trends that will change our world. Developments unfolding outside the four walls of Fidelity that will have a deep impact on the lives of our customers, clients, and associates. We're looking for innovations that change markets, that even make new markets, the most impactful trends that will fuel Fidelity's future. We think that the most critical developments outside of Fidelity fall into a few categories, or themes, as we call them. The future of financial services, new business foundations, the next America, and deep tech.
I run fintech and emerging businesses research. My job is essentially to research the future of financial services on the border between startups and corporates, and how the blockchain, how tokenization can change the industry from the infrastructure up, processes, business models, value chain. One of the best approaches that I found with the ecosystem is that in order to identify the top 1%, you have to see the other 99. Once you do, you realize what excellence looks like, to push the limit beyond the past.
Now, while it's imperative that we stay abreast of the latest trends and developments in fintech, innovations sometimes come from new ways of doing business in adjacent industries.
We really look for new business foundations in our research because that's really how you can power a next generation of products that will really be valuable and appeal to younger investors. And that's not always just in financial services. A lot of the research I do ends up looking beyond, like what's going on with video games and how they're delivering new experiences that are kind of bleeding into other industries around customers and digital assets. Emerging technologies that are changing the way services and products get delivered, and then kind of start connecting dots.
So technologies are only one dimension. Innovations also take place in our culture.
I am in charge of a theme that we call the Next America, the intersection of technology and society and how our customers are changing over the next 5, 7, 10 years, their behaviors, how they want to interact with us, the rise in single-person households in the US. Now the most common household type is married folks without children or people living alone. And I think that's way more culturally acceptable than it used to be in the past. And this can really have a profound impact in terms of the way we think about helping them plan for their futures.
Of course, we wouldn't be FCAT if we didn't also keep an eye on more far-flung, really ambitious technological innovations.
Deep tech refers to engineering-led research projects that are explicitly and solely designed to solve our most serious challenges. And that includes advances in synthetic biology with genetic editing, nanotechnology, artificial tissue, artificial muscle, people's expectations about their own health span and lifespan, decarbonization, or agricultural technology, quantum computing, and advanced robotics, space exploration. Deep tech has a tendency, when it works, to change everything.
What really, really excites me is the area of generative AI, where AI is no longer only predicting things. People are using it to generate text, generate code, generate images, and I think there's just so much possibility in pretty much every industry. The regulation hasn't really happened as fast as the technologies happen, and so there's a lot going on to make sure that we're on top of all of these things. And we also have within FCAT people working on AI, exploring what's coming next. We really are trying to see how can we make the experience for our customers as good as possible.
A big part of FCAT is trying to combine multiple different perspectives and disciplines to come out with a better solution. And whether it starts in research or whether it starts with an idea that you've come up with walking down the street, we have the permission and the actual expectation that we're building and trying new things.